With the continuous rise in TiO₂ prices, is your production in a dilemma? Fixed orders mean losses if prices don't rise? While price hikes lead to lost customers, there's a win-win solution. Using Liangjiang Chemicals Barium Sulfate to partially replace TiO₂, cutting costs without sacrificing quality. Our barium sulfate is greater than or equal to 98% whiteness with a blue-tinged optical property, synergizing with TiO₂ to maintain hiding power when replacing 10% to 30% of TiO₂ in scenarios like interior coatings and ordinary plastics. Its cost is only 1/3 of TiO₂, reducing raw material costs by 25%, improving corrosion and weather resistance, and requiring no production process adjustments. DM us your product type for free cost savings calculations and sample trials to see the effect firsthand.